standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.
Hello everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you will want to become friends and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So guys, I have an unboxing today and it was Boxy Premium for June 2022. She just showed up. I was like, okay. So I went through my box and I've decided we're going to use the products. We're going to try everything out. I'm going to let you know what I got and you're going to tell me your thoughts like always, and I look forward to that. So let's get into it. Now, the Boxy Premium, you get to customize 2 items and it is $39.99 a month. Yes. And you get 6 to 7 full-size items. You get a card. The theme is Express Yourself. And then on the back we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I will put the total value of this box on the screen. And I believe I've got variation 207. Okay, so let's get into it. I really wanted this box because of this palette. I was like, yes, I want it. I want it. So when I saw the palette, I was like, oh, yay. So it's got a mirror in here. And then it has, oh, which is already messy, the shade names on a separate sheet. And then it has your plastic. But I will get you a close-up of her. This is what she looks like. And she has a $45 value. And I have her on my eyes as well. Now the pans are kind of small, but this is a very heavy kind of packaging. It is basic packaging. And there are a lot of colors. So it looks like there's a lot of pigment in there. Okay, my very first time using Lorac shadows too. Not bad. Some of them are a little bit powdery and I will do swatches over on my other channel, Swatch Investigator, but let's move on. The next thing is the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Volume Mascara. This actually separated my lashes quite a bit. I liked it. More so than what other ones. It's a light formula too. It doesn't go on heavy and it doesn't really clump, which is good. It has a $29 value. Next, I have it on Dominique Cosmetics Silk Tone Cream Blush, a $22 value. And it says you can, it's got a mirror. It says you can use this on your lips as well. But I liked it. Really pretty. Like, for real. Really pretty, nice summery color. And it is cream, which is really good for us dry ladies. I can't believe I'm actually saying that. I'm more dry now than combination. Oh. Okay, the next thing I think oh, here it is. Haha. It is by Ren Beauty. It is Clean Skincare Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Obviously, I'm going to have to use this more than once to be able to tell if it works. It has a $51 value. And it says after just 7 days, you should see results. So, definitely update you guys. Next, we have this here, the Sandbar Beauty Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer, a $28 value. And Sandbar Beauty, it says it's a new brand to Boxy. But that's funny because we've seen it in Ipsy. Yeah, we have. Okay, so the wand was a little dry when I took it out. So, I mean, I had to dip it in a few times. But I do have the eyeshadow primer on now, and it seems to be okay. I mean, it doesn't show up white or anything. It actually just disappears into the skin, just in case you need to know that. Okay, and then this thing. I think we all got confused by this. The Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shield. This is a new brand to Boxy too, it says. It has an MSRP of $15. Basically, they're saying you can put this in the fridge and it'll help depuff while you use it and do your eyeshadow. So I tried it. I mean, it's okay. It's definitely easy to clean. It's like silicone, but I don't know that I'll be sitting here trying to, I don't know. to do that. I mean, I tried it. I used it because, you know, I got it and I wanted you guys to see, but overall, I mean, it is what it is. I don't know. Maybe I'll find a good use for it in the future. I have no idea. But that is everything. So let me recap. We have the silicone thingy and the dark circles. Well, the dark circle cream. The Sandbar eyeshadow primer. The Patrick Ta mascara. The Dominique Cosmetics blush. This is, I think, one of my favorite items, and so is the Lorac Pro Palette Artist Edition Mercari, I guess you would say. So that's everything. I'll put the total value of my box on the screen. I really want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Ask me anything you want. I will do my very best to answer all of your questions, and I will see you guys real soon in another video.